Hello, I'm Shivam Ghosh, and let's get started with Lesson 1. What is GrabCAD Print Pro? Well, you've got two different flavors. There's GrabCAD Print Free, and then there's GrabCAD Print Pro, which is a paid subscription per year. GrabCAD Print Free is your print preparation tool for your FDM printers, your PolyJet printers, and your Stratasys Origin printers. And we're improving it month to month, adding new features, doing bug fixes, making things faster and easier to use. GrabCAD Print Pro is an add-on to GrabCAD Print. It adds the print preparation tools for your SAF H350 powder bed printers and a set of higher-end tools that can work on all technologies. Costing, labels, thickness checker, we'll cover all of those in their own specific lesson. It also has technology-specific tools, so in later lessons we'll talk about FDM-specific tools, PolyJet-specific tools, and SAF-specific tools, each in their own lesson. And just like the free version, we are improving it month to month. So each month with a new release, look for new features, bug fixes, and general improvements in both Print Free and Print Pro. How do you get it? Well, with GrabCAD Print Free, anyone can download it from our website. Anyone can use it, there's no license needed, and it can be used offline. We get this question a lot. There's just a little checkbox in the file preferences, use it offline. Going to GrabCAD Print Pro, anyone can download it from the same website. Notice these two are the same link. So when you download GrabCAD Print Free, you're containing all the features of Print Pro. We're just unlocking it with a license. So it's the same download. It requires a purchase order each year, and it's tied to your email address. So when you log into GrabCAD Print with your email, that's what's unlocking the Print Pro features. We'll go over this in the next lesson, but at company.grabcad.com, you can control who has your license. You can move from one email to another if a person leaves the company or something. It's not really meant for moving the license every single day, but once or twice a year, if a person moves to a different team or leaves the team, you can move it to a different email. And finally, Print Pro can also be used offline. We get this question a lot, but you can use it offline just like Print Free. You just have to license it once, and then you can go offline for the rest of the year. We can even email you a text file if you're really, really offline, but there's ways to do it. Finally, there are help documents for each version, but they're both found on help.grabcad.com. On the left-hand side, you can see for GrabCAD Print Free, there's a Getting Started document, how you install it, things like that. And on the right-hand side, you can see an article for Print Pro. This focuses on feature and technology-specific features, what's been added each month, and things like licensing specific to Print Pro. But they're both found on help.grabcad.com. But there's only one email when asking for help. print@grabcad.com, the same email that's existed for years. Any questions on the free version or the paid version, what features are in each, how do you use them, how do you license them, send them all to print@grabcad.com and you can get them answered. All right, let's move on to the next lesson.